What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, guys, 2023 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, 392 wide body. Really beautiful car, sexy, man. I love this car. Sucks that this is the last year for them, but it's okay. Hopefully they'll go back to them. Factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X-Pipe 3-inch. Then what we put on it's two FLOWMASTER Outlaws, part number 15430S. Right there. There'll be a link in the description. They're the shorties. Give it that nice deep tone. And then we left the valves on it there and there. And then we did a rear resonator delete there and there. And installed his carbon tips that he brought right there. And right there. They bolt right on, as you guys can see there. Keeps it that stock look. The part number on those carbons are CD1003. There'll be a link in the description for them also. There's the mids right there. There's the mid mufflers. That's the resonators there. So we took them all off. That's the tips we took off and replaced. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Sounds good. You like? Thumbs up? Yes, sir. Perfect. That sounds so mean. Did you come all the way from Alabama? Huh? Chattanooga? All the way from Chattanooga, guys. That sounds so good. Your sound decibels again? 116, guys. This sounds phenomenal. Go ahead and back it up. I don't know why they even have them quiet from the fact that they don't make no sense. This sounds so good, guys. They never disappoint. FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Let you guys hear on the inside. I admire them all the time too. They're beautiful cars. 392 him. Enjoy, guys. That sounds so good.